We often get the question, is it a good time to get into the market? If you look at the All Ordinaries Index, this is going back to 1985 and beyond. This is the return of the market. So your superannuation, depending on which investment option you're in, if you're in the My Ethical Super, around 70% of your investments are invested in the share market. And whilst it's got some money overseas, the Australian market is generally a good representation of what your investments are doing. So is it a good time to get into the market? We're at a relatively high point at the moment, not as high as it was back in 2007, November 2007, but it's at a relative high point. Some people are saying that it's a bit peaky and that whether the market can continue to go beyond or whether it should have a bit of a downturn or a correction soon. We don't know. We obviously can't predict the future. It's important to, set a longer term strategy and consider, what's the right mix for you and start to move towards that. It might be gradually over time, or it might be, putting a larger sum in. Is it a good time to get into the market? It's not as good as March of 2009, as you would have sort of doubled your money in that period if you did put a chunk of money in then, but emotionally it was a difficult period to do that. It was a very challenging time to do that.